My name is Elaine, and I'm a designer in Chicago. The beauty of balloons is that they are temporal and that it is about the present moment. They're not meant to last. And so it allows me to say, just make it, just do it, don't be afraid. People are seeing this organic balloon trend in these installations, but it's so different when it's in person because it really does alter the way that you see that space. We aim to bring the joy. We are in Old Town, Chicago. We have been doing installations for 4 years. Our store opening, and we wanted to make it big and bold and fun. We use a premium latex brand that is made in the United States, and they are 100% organic and 100% biodegradable. The way that we start our process is we talk with a client, in this case us, saying, what would you like to highlight? What are we celebrating? I do a sketch and then transfer that into Photoshop with an image of the actual place it will be installed so the client can get a sense of what it would look like. We blow up all the balloons, and then we string all the balloons, and then we start to construct. It's basically like the reverse of an ice sculptor. It's an additive process of adding balloons to create a mass. This one, it was really important to alter that street relationship to the person walking down the street, wanting it to kind of curve overhead and to extend outward as opposed to just being something that's hung on the wall. Kind of the neat thing is that our balloon structures and installations are responsive to the existing site conditions. So it doesn't make it decor, it makes it art. We build it 95% of the time to exactly what we sketched. But then as you're building, you're learning about that structure. And so you're learning, we could do that, or we could do that. And so I'm thinking about, how does this next piece go? How does this connect? And I'm building as I'm working. Just a very intense focus. Then the final process, after it's all installed, there'll be a portion where we tie in balloons. We call this the zhuzhing process. You're just kind of twisting in a couple littler balloons, and that helps soften the lines. It's an extra layer of sanding, per se. It's fun to watch people's reactions of like, oh my gosh, like, what is that? I find it extremely important that when you are a small business owner, that you have the ability to connect with your community. When the pandemic hit, we thought, how could we show some appreciation to the frontline workers? And that was with big balloon installations outside of the hospital. For the Black Lives Matter movement, it was print those balloons, get them out the door, and get them in the hands of protesters and visually connect everyone through this moment. I started to realize that our work can go beyond business and profit. I find these installs as moments of time. It's not going to last forever. It's meant to just be enjoyed right then and there.